Welcome to the video on Syllogism Reasoning Mastery. This video focuses on logical reasoning, specifically for competitive nursing exams like NORCET, RRB, and AIIMS. The content is presented by Mr. Nagesh Sir of ND Nursing Coaching. Here is our first question. The statements are, all nurses are doctors, and all doctors are specialists. The conclusions are, 1. All nurses are specialists, and 2. Some specialists are nurses. Which option follows? The correct answer is C. Both conclusions follow. The rationale is that since all nurses are inside doctors, and all doctors are inside specialists, all nurses must be inside specialists. Therefore, both conclusions are valid. Next question. Statements. Some doctors are intelligent. Some intelligent are hardworking. Conclusions. 1. Some doctors are hardworking. 2. No doctor is hardworking. Which of the options follows? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. The rationale explains there's no direct link between doctors and hardworking, which creates a complementary pair of some and no with the same subject and predicate. Moving on. Statements. No nurse is a student. Some students are teachers. Conclusions. 1. Some teachers are not nurses. 2. All teachers are nurses. Determine which option is correct. The correct answer is A. Only one follows. The rationale is that the part of students that are teachers cannot be nurses because the first statement says students are not nurses. Conclusion 2 contradicts the no nurse is a student rule. Here's the next set of statements and conclusions. Statements. Only a few pens are pencils. All pencils are erasers. Conclusions. 1. Some pens are erasers. 2. All pens can be erasers. Which option applies? The correct answer is C. Both follow. The intersection exists because some pens are pencils and all pencils are erasers. Also, all pens can be erasers is a possibility as there is no restriction. Next problem. Statements. All chairs are tables. No table is sofa. Conclusions. 1. No chair is sofa. 2. Some tables are chairs. Which of these conclusions follows? The correct answer is C. Both follow. If all chairs are tables and no table is a sofa, then no chair can be a sofa. Also, all chairs are tables implies some tables are chairs. Try this one. Statements. Some apples are bananas. Some bananas are grapes. Conclusions. 1. Some apples are grapes. 2. No apple is a grape. Which option follows? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. This is due to no direct connection between apple and grape. One conclusion states some, and the other no, satisfying the either-or condition. Final question for this segment. Statements. Only computers are laptops. Some computers are monitors. Conclusions. 1. Some laptops are monitors. 2. No laptop is a monitor. Choose the correct option. The correct answer is B. Only 2 follows. Only A or B means all B are A, and B cannot be anything else. Since laptops are restricted to only computers, they cannot be monitors, making conclusion 2 correct. Let's work through this problem. Statements. All books are pens. All pens are markers. Conclusions. 1. All markers are books. 2. Some markers are books. Which option follows? The correct answer is B. Only conclusion 2 follows. Since all books are markers, it implies some markers are books. However, it's not certain that all markers are necessarily books. Next question. Statements. Some cats are dogs. No dog is a rat. Conclusions. 1. Some cats are not rats. 2. Some rats are not cats. Which option follows? The correct answer is A. Only one follows. The cats that are dogs cannot be rats. Conclusion 2 is not necessarily true, because rats have no defined relation to cats in the statements. Consider this problem. Statements. All stars are planets. All planets are moons. Conclusions. 1. All stars are moons. 2. Some moons are stars. Which option is correct? The correct answer is C. Both follow. Since all stars are planets and all planets are moons, it logically follows that all stars are moons. This also means that some moons are stars. Moving on. Statements. Some pens are ink. Some ink is blue. Conclusions. 1. Some pens are blue. 2. No pen is blue. Which option applies? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. A direct relation is not defined between pen and blue, so both the some and no possibilities exist, forming an either-or complementary pair. Next, statements. All cars are trains. Some trains are buses. Conclusions. 1. Some cars are buses. 2. No car is a bus. Which option follows? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. Similar to the previous problem, there is no direct link between car and bus, allowing for either a some or no relationship. Try this problem. Statements. Some cups are plates. All plates are spoons. Conclusions. 1. Some cups are spoons. 2. All spoons are cups. Which option is correct? The correct answer is A. Only 1 follows. Since some cups are plates and all plates are spoons, there is an overlap, meaning some cups are spoons. All spoons being cups is not necessarily true. Statements. Only a few reds are blues. All blues are greens. Conclusions. 1. Some reds are greens. 2. All reds can be greens. Which option follows? The correct answer is C. Both follow. Since some reds are blues and all blues are green, some reds must be green. Only a few implies some are not, but all reds can be greens is a valid possibility. Last question for this section. Statements. All water is ice. No ice is steam. Conclusions. 1. No water is steam. 2. Some steam is water. Which option follows? The correct answer is A. Only 1 follows. If all water is ice and no ice is steam, then it must be true that no water is steam. Therefore, conclusion 2 is false. Next problem. Statements. Some dogs are cats. Some cats are horses. Conclusions. 1. Some dogs are horses. 2. No dog is a horse. Which option follows? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. Because there is no direct relationship between dogs and horses in the statements, and the conclusions form a complementary pair, the either-or condition applies. Consider the following statements. All chairs are tables. Some tables are desks. Conclusions. 1. All tables are chairs. 2. Some chairs are desks. Which option follows? The correct answer is D. Neither follows. Just because all chairs are tables does not mean all tables are chairs. Furthermore, the relationship between chairs and desks is not definitively established. Next up, statements. No pen is pencil. No pencil is eraser. Conclusions. 1. No pen is eraser. 2. All pens are erasers. Which option applies? The correct answer is D. Neither follows. Since no direct relationship is established between pens and erasers, both conclusions are only possibilities, not certainties based on the statements. Let's review this. Statements. All A are B. All B are C. Conclusions. 1. All A are C. 2. Some C are A. Determine the correct option. The correct answer is C. Both follow. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A must be a subset of C. Therefore, both all A are C and some C are A are correct. Next, consider these statements. Some X are Y. Some Y are Z. Conclusions. 1. Some X are Z. 2. No X is Z. Which option is correct? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. Due to the lack of a definite direct relationship and the sum-no structure, this forms a complementary pair, leading to the either-or conclusion. Try this one. Statements. All M are N. Some N are O. Conclusions. 1. Some M are O 2. No M is O. Which option applies? The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2 follows. Since M and O are the subjects of a complementary pair, some and no, without a direct connection, the either-or rule applies. Final question. All dogs are cats. No cat is a mouse. Conclusions. 1. Some dogs are not mice. 2. No mouse is a dog. Which option is correct? The correct answer is C. Both follow. Since dogs are a subset of cats and no cat is a mouse, it means no dog can be a mouse. This confirms both conclusions 1 and 2.